So we are now in May of 2022, and let's just say things have not got off to a great start in terms of stocks and cryptocurrency in general. In fact, it's been the worst start to a year in the last 2 decades according to the Global Aggregated Index. And we can see that since the start of this year, Bitcoin is already down 18%, while Ethereum is down 25%. And if we have a quick glance over at the S&P 500 as well, we can see that that's been down 14% since the start of the year. Factoring in inflation eating away at the money in your savings accounts, your money doesn't seem to be safe anywhere. Of course, that's a bit of an exaggeration, but in this video we're going to be talking about, is cryptocurrency a good investment right now at the current prices? So if that sounds like something you're interested in, it'd be great if you could take a second to drop a like on this video. It really does help share the channel out to more people and shows me that you guys are enjoying these videos. So as I mentioned there, inflation rates, they've been going up over the last number of months here, and things are looking pretty bleak in the fact that there's more inflation rate hikes to come. I believe that we're expecting the next rate hike in the US to be in the next week or so, and it's rumored to be about 0.5 basis points. And it's not just the US, Europe is also planning to increase interest rates in the coming months as well. And the general consensus of a global recession happening is seeming quite likely now. I've heard some estimates say that it's about a 60 to 70% likelihood of a global recession happening now by some analysts. So overall, things are not looking too exciting in the next couple of months here. But these are historically great times for accumulation phases where you buy more of your favorite stocks, and as we're discussing in this video, cryptocurrency, and then when it does rebound back, which often happens very, very quickly, could be in the space of a day, we could see some massive jumps back. If you haven't bought on these kind of lower down periods, you would be looking back thinking they were great buying opportunities. But when you're in the moment and stocks and crypto are going lower, it is often hard to get around the mental barrier of wanting to throw more money into a falling market. In some positive news as regarding cryptocurrency, Fidelity Investments in the US, which manage a lot of people's 401k pensions, they have announced that they will be allowing employees to put up to 20% of their pensions into Bitcoin. And seeing as they manage massive amounts of money, this should be a positive catalyst for Bitcoin and in general cryptocurrency as a whole. In order to better understand my thoughts behind cryptocurrency right now, let's jump into my cryptocurrency portfolio as of today, and we can see here that I currently only have 4 positions. Now, if you've watched any of my previous cryptocurrency portfolio updates, you'll see that I often had maybe 10, maybe a max of 12 positions at any one time. But what I've decided to do is consolidate these positions down because I want to take a little bit of a risk-adverse approach when it comes to cryptocurrency right now, seeing as I'm not too sure which cryptocurrencies will stand the test of time, especially in tough periods like a possible recession that we're currently in. So I don't have the exact percentages worked out here, but roughly it's about a 60% in Bitcoin, around a 30% in Ethereum, and then maybe a 10% in DeFi, just roughly eyeballing it there, and then a small, slow percentage in XRP there as well. And just to quickly go into why I have my weighting in each one, Bitcoin obviously being the top dog when it comes to cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency as an investment would be considered quite risky, but as I said, I'm trying to go towards, at the minute, a bit of a less risky approach. Still risky to some degree, but just less risky, and putting most of my money into kind of the kingpin of the cryptocurrency, one that I'm very sure will stand the test of time. And then for Ethereum, somewhat along these similar lines of thinking, I really like Bitcoin and Ethereum, so I just wanted a roughly equal enough percentage weighting there for the two. And then for DFI, this is one I've done a previous dedicated video on, which I will link up in the notification up there if any of you guys want to check that out. But essentially, it's where I'm staking my cryptocurrency in the DeFi token and earning an interest yield on that. I'll flash the current yield up on screen here. I'm not sure what it is at the minute. I haven't checked on that in a bit, but that's earning me just passive income on that DeFi. And then we also have XRP, which I just have a small holding in because this lawsuit with the SEC has been going on for a long time. And apparently when it ends, if it ever ends, XRP has the potential to rocket. So keeping a small bit of optimism and hope there with a small bit of XRP, just in case it does decide to moon. So getting back to the question of, is it a good time to buy cryptocurrency? I'm sure we'll look back on this period right now and say, well, that was a great opportunity to add cryptocurrency at a low price, but it is still quite a risk because we're not sure if a lot of these will stand the test of time. For example, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, they're probably even some of the higher end scale ones, but a lot of these meme coins or coins that are just new, we're not too sure if they'll stand the test of time, and even if they are at cheap prices right now, may turn out not to be a good investment. But for me, while Bitcoin and Ethereum are continually to drop down, it's a good opportunity to add to my position, and I'm trying to just dollar cost average in every month or whenever I have some free cash that I want to allocate to the projects within my portfolio there. Personally, I think it's a good idea, and of course not advice, to consolidate your positions in times like these into ones that you have more confidence in and that you're willing to buy more of when they do drop lower, if they do, that is. But yeah, for me, it's a good idea to just continually dollar cost average in on my favorite cryptocurrency projects here, and then over time, when we do bounce back, which I'm sure we will do, obviously no guarantees, but I am quite optimistic that we will bounce back, I'll look back on this period hopefully and say it was a great opportunity to be continually dollar cost averaging in, and I'm reaping the rewards now. On another note, if Bitcoin does drop between the $20,000 to $25,000 range, I'll definitely consider going in heavy if that happens, but as of now, we're not sure if it will come back to them levels. But yeah, let me know your opinions on the cryptocurrency market right now. Is it a good time to invest? What are you guys doing, and what coins are you buying into right now? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and make sure you drop a like on that video if you did enjoy it. Much appreciated, and we'll catch you guys in another video.